Hello everyone, this is Sushma.
Hi, I'm Krishna.
So here we are here to share our feedback about the dream interiors. So we got our 3 BHK in Kalpataru Sunrise, designed by them. The overall experience is very pleasant. We love the output of the project. We were really looking for a lot of interiors, and we found these people on YouTube, and we then spoke to them. And we also happened to visit one of their completed projects. We really liked the look and finish delivered by them. So finally, we decided to go ahead with them.
हमारा कुछ स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स था, ये ड्रीम इंटीरियर्स में अकोमोडेटेड, उन लोग ने अकोमोडेट किया उसको स्पेसिफिकली। जैसे हमारा मंदिर बड़ा चाहिए था, हमें स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट को उन लोग ने अकोमोडेट करके अच्छी तरह से बना के दिया है।
And even during our housewarming ceremony, we had invited quite some guests, and we had got a very good feedback from most of them, I would say. So overall, it was a very smooth journey. You can also see the output. I think it's very good, and it has come out really well. And during the entire process, like selection and everything, we had their full cooperation. Even for things like curtain selections, which are not part of the contract, or some other furnitures which are not part of the contract, they were always there with us to help us decide what would go well for our theme.
किचन में ब्रेकफास्ट काउंटर का रिक्वायरमेंट था। ब्रेकफास्ट काउंटर बनाने में थोड़ा जगह का दिक्कत था, लेकिन फिर भी वो हमारे स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट को उन लोगों ने अकोमोडेट करके अच्छी तरह से बना के दिया है।
They were there from the start of the project till the end. They were very supportive, and they're very approachable, I would say. We had a very good experience overall. Thank you.
Thank you.